and welcome back to Baby We Eatz. Today we are making a chicken marsala recipe. Let me tell you, this recipe is pan-fried juicy chicken with a creamy marsala wine sauce. So let's get to the ingredients. We have chicken breast, salt and pepper to taste. We have all-purpose flour, olive oil, unsalted butter. We have some mushrooms, onion powder, garlic cloves, dry marsala wine, not sweet, chicken stock, heavy whipping cream, and parsley. Okay, so I'm going to take you with me to do a little prep. I'm going to show you how I cut up my garlic, which we're going to cut up some garlic. I crush mine before chopping it up. It makes it so much easier to chop up. I'm going to add my chopped garlic to a little container, and I'm going to put that to the side. Here I am prepping my chicken breast. I do rinse my chicken breast off, and I'm just showing you here a little clip of me rinsing my chicken off. I use half lemon. Some people use lime. Some people don't, but I do. So I'm going to clean my chicken with my lime, and then I'm going to take it over to my sink, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and then I'm going to pat my chicken dry. But you want to cut it up. You want to cut your chicken breast in half lengthwise so that you can make it about 4 cutlets. Now that my chicken is finished, I have rinsed it and cut it up. And now we're going to put our chicken between some plastic wrap, and we're going to pound our chicken to about 1/3 thick. We're going to season our chicken all over with salt and pepper, and I'm going to dredge it in some flour and shake it off. And I'm going to shake off the excess and set it aside. So here I'm pounding my chicken, and you can see that I'm filling over it. And the reason why I'm doing that, to make sure that I am not pounding it too thin. You don't want to pound your chicken too thin, but to your liking. Here I'm just adding some salt to my chicken on each piece of chicken. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my pepper on both sides. Here I'm adding a little bit of garlic powder. You don't have to do that, but I wanted to put garlic powder on mine. And here, after I finish with the garlic powder, we're going to go ahead and we are going to flour it. You don't have to take out a bowl. You could just make sure that you have a thin layer of flour. And that's what we're going to do. The excess, we're going to shake it off, and we're going to set it to the side. So in a large, heavy pot pan over medium heat, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. So once my butter is melted down, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pan fry my chicken until it is golden and cooked through. That takes anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And I'm going to move on to my mushrooms. We're going to saute our mushrooms until the excess liquid from the mushrooms have evaporated and your mushrooms are golden brown. That takes anywhere from 5 minutes. So here I'm adding a mixture of onion powder and garlic powder, and we're just going to sprinkle that on the top. Here, I'm going to add my garlic, and we're just going to saute our garlic and our mushrooms together. You want to saute until fragrant for about 30 seconds. Once you're done with your mushrooms, you can add your Marsala wine, and you want to make sure that you get them brown little bits at the bottom of your pan. You want to make sure that you mix everything up. Here, I'm going to add in my chicken broth, and we're going to mix that in. Here, I'm adding my heavy whipping cream, and we're going to mix that up. You want to lower your heat to keep a simmer and continue to simmer and reduce the sauce for another 5 minutes until slightly thickened. Now, at this time, you could adjust your sauce. You could add a little bit more salt or pepper, whatever you like. And then you want to add back in your fried chicken cutlet. So here I'm spooning the sauce over my chicken cutlets. Here I'm adding some more of my chicken, and we're just gonna add the sauce and cover it with mushrooms. And I'm gonna let it simmer for a few minutes. And let me tell you, this was delicious. I served it over some yellow rice, and you cannot go wrong with that. And let me tell you, this Marsala chicken was good. Not only does it look good, it tasted good. So I wanna thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And if you like this video, you wanna see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.